Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 15th unit of Kids English Guide. And today, we will learn about nationalities and countries. But first, let us try classroom English. Please repeat after me once. Let's begin with the first one. You can do it. You can do it. Number two, don't give up. Don't give up. Three, please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. Okay, you can use this for your students when you teach them English. And yesterday, we learned when to and where to. So let's try to review that. Repeat after me once because you already know this. Let's begin. They know when to say. They know when to say. Second, we ask when to go. We ask when to go. Number three, I don't know where to start. I don't know where to start. Last, she told me where to go. She told me where to go. Okay, now let's go to our actual lesson of nationalities. Here, repeat after me two times only. Let's begin. She is Japanese. She is Japanese. She is Japanese. She is Japanese. Number two, she is from Japan. She is from Japan. She is from Japan. She is from Japan. He is Canadian. He is Canadian. He is Canadian. He is Canadian. Number four, he is from Canada. He is from Canada. He is from Canada. He is from Canada. Number five, they are Cambodians. They are Cambodians. They are Cambodians. They are Cambodians. Number six, last, they are from Cambodia. They are from Cambodia. They are from Cambodia. They are okay. Now, in the ADNA 135, the question here is, what is your nationality? Please repeat. What is your nationality? Very good. And the second one is, where are you from? Repeat, please. Where are you from? Okay. Now, let's go to exercise number 2, where we have learning and teaching method. First, I will read first column. The question there is, what is your nationality? And then next is, you will read second column. The question is, where are you from? So you can do this with your students. So us, we will do it two times. Let's begin. We are French. We are French. We are from France. We are from France. One more. We are French. We are French. We are from France. We are from France. Number two. You are Italian. You are Italian. You are from Italy. You are from Italy. You are Italian. You are Italian. You are from Italy. You okay. Later, don't forget that you will practice this with your friend. Like friend one will say she is Filipino. Friend two will say she is from the Philippines. And then you change roles. But first, let's read this. She is Filipino. She is Filipino. She is from the Philippines. She is from the Philippines. She is Filipino. She is Filipino. She is from the Philippines. She is from the Philippines. He is Thai. He is Thai. He is from Thailand. He is from Thailand. He is Thai. He is Thai. He is from Thailand. He is from Thailand. They are Chinese. They are Chinese. They are from China. They are from China. They are Chinese. They are Chinese. They are from China. They are from China. So again, friend one will say this, friend one, and then friend two. And then later, you change roles. Friend two will say, we are from France. Friend one will say, we are French. And please try that 3 times so you can master how to say these nationalities and countries you are from. When you are done, we can now go to exercise 3. In exercise 3, we will read this. You will repeat after me. And then later, you try with your friend. Friend 1, Pisay. Friend 2, Sraymay. And then change. Friend 2, Sraymay. Friend 1, Pisay. And again, try 3 times. But first, let us read. Please repeat after me. Let's begin. Hi, Sraymay. Hi, Sraymay. My friend Maria is Spanish. My friend Maria is Spanish. She is from Spain. She is from Spain. How about yours? How about yours? Hi, Pise. Hi, Pise. My friend Lars is Swedish. My friend Lars is Swedish. He is from Sweden. He is from Sweden. I also know Julia. I also know Julia. She is Italian. She is Italian. She is from Italy. She is from Italy. That's cool. That's My friend Ken is Japanese. My friend Ken is Japanese. He is from Japan. He is Japan. I have a friend named Aisha. I have a friend. She is Egyptian. She is Egyptian. He is from Egypt. He is from Egypt. Nice. My friend Jack is Australian. Nice. He is from Australia. He is. Okay. Now that we have tried it, you will do by yourself. Again, friend one, please say. Friend two, Sraymay. And then later, you change 3 times. And when you are done, we can now go to exercise 4, where we will have back translation. And in here, you will hear the Khmer language first, and then we translate together. At the same time, we read 3 times. Let's begin with number 1.
ខ្ញុំជាជនជាតិអ៊ីតាលី
I am Italian.
ខ្ញុំជាជនជាតិអ៊ីតាលី
I am Italian.
ខ្ញុំជាជនជាតិអ៊ីតាលី
I am Italian.
អ្នកជាជនជាតិជប៉ុន
You are Japanese.
អ្នកជាជនជាតិជប៉ុន
You are Japanese.
អ្នកជាជនជាតិជប៉ុន
You are Japanese.
នាងជាជនជាតិចិន
She is Chinese.
នាងជាជនជាតិចិន
She is Chinese.
នាងជាជនជាតិចិន
She is Chinese.
គាត់មកពីប្រទេសកាណាដា
He is from Canada.
គាត់មកពីប្រទេសកាណាដា
He is from Canada.
គាត់មកពីប្រទេសកាណាដា
He is from Canada.
ពួកគេមកពីប្រទេសបារាំង
They are from France.
ពួកគេមកពីប្រទេសបារាំង
They are from France.
Poke mo pi Prutibarang.
They are from France. Last.
Yung mo pi Prote Philippine.
We are from the Philippines.
Yung mo pi Prote Philippine.
We are from the Philippines.
Yung mo pi Prote Philippine.
We are from the Philippines. Okay. Now we have already translated this, and again, please try with your friend. Friend 1 is Khmer, friend 2 is English, and then later you will change. Friend 2 will say Khmer, friend 1 English. Do that 3 times again. 3 times or more is important because you have to understand and memorize the words. If you practice and practice and practice, you will be able to learn and really understand and speak in English. And here, translate and find a pair. It is important because you have someone to practice with. And again, your friend will say Khmer, you will say English, and then change. Friend 2 will say Khmer, friend 2 will say English. So your mind can remember the words and the structure of the sentence. Okay. Now, when you are done with that, we can now go to exercise 5. In exercise 5, we have jumbled words. And in here, you will have to say and understand with me first. Let's try number 1. What do we have here? From. This means country. Okay, country. And then what country is this? Thailand. So we have, he is from, he is from Thailand. Very good. Repeat after me, please. He is from Thailand. He is from... Okay, here we have France. This is country again. So it will be from France. Here we have from France. Here, France and from. So again, we have from France. So we have we are. We are. Please repeat. We are from France. We are from France. Okay, number 3. We have Japan. Japan is country. And we have from. So, from Japan. And now we will say, she is from Japan. She is from Japan. Okay, next. We have Cambodians. Cambodians is nationality. So here, it's always is, are, am, and then nationality. Is Filipino, are Cambodian, are American. So here we have Cambodians and are. So they are. They are Cambodians. They are Cambodians. Next, Thai. Thai. It means nationality again. Thai is. So we have Thai is. And lastly, he. Very easy. He is Thai. He is Thai. Next, last, we have is and Egyptian. So he is Egyptian. She is Egyptian. Okay, very good. And I I am your instructor, so we already practiced. You already practiced with me. Now it's time to practice with your present teacher. And when you are done with that, we can now go to exercise 6. Exercise 6 is building confidence. And these words you already know, so we only have to practice once. And remember that the nationalities and countries here are Asian. So, for example, let's begin. They are Korean. They are Korean. They are from South Korea. They are from South Korea. Okay, again, don't forget nationality. Say nationality. Nationality. And here are country. Country. Okay, nationality and country. Number 2, let's begin. We are Vietnamese. We are Vietnamese. We are from Vietnam. We are from Vietnam. I am Indian. I am Indian. I am from India. I am from India. He is Singaporean. He is Singaporean. He is from Singapore. He is from Singapore. But since you are from Cambodia, your country is Cambodia. Cambodia. You are Cambodian. Cambodian. So you can please say, I am Cambodian. I am Cambodian. I am from Cambodia. I am very good. Now, please practice this until you can remember without reading. And when it's done, it's time to talk with friends. So here, this is listening through friends' voice. Listening, understanding with friends. So in understanding with friends, you have to make a group of 3 or 4. 4 is better, but if you can do 3 or 4, it's okay. Here, let's begin. Like this. For example, this is me. Oops, this is me. This is you. That's me again. And then you. And then it's just practice. Let's try. Hello, what is your nationality? Please read, I am German. I am from Germany. How about you? Me, I am Japanese. I am from Japan. How about you? Next, I am American. I am from the United States. How about you? Then your friend again, another friend. I am Vietnamese. I am from Vietnam. How about you? And the next friend, I am, for example, Filipino. I am from the Philippines. How about you? Next friend, I am Chinese. I am from China. How about you? Next friend, I am Indian. I am from India. How about you? And then you go in circle and please try many times so you can understand and you learn together with your friends. And when the time is up, then congratulations because that's the end of these Unit 15 nationalities. I hope you learned something. You can always go back to the lesson and good luck. See you next time. Bye-bye.